madalmit mata, that's through cultural presentation. Mama sir, maybe you are wondering why the dancers touch the drum before and after she perform. We believe all tumuli musical instruments have their own spirit already. It is the sign to give the respect to our drum. Miss Dana, maraming salamat po. That's the end of our cultural presentation. So finally, we are here. Bigyan po namin kayo ng short break. Later po pinaka-the best spot for picture taking. For those who want to take a picture in front. Later on, we will have a small box or wallet.